Ali. Welcome back to Around the Island. I'm your host, Katie Delano, and I have a question I would like to ask you. What time do you wake up in the mornings? Okay, yeah, I know. Let's be real. It's a kind of odd question to ask, but I'm going somewhere. Just hang on with me for a moment. I got a fun fact I'd like to share with you all. So, back in ancient history, when Neanderthals and saber-toothed tigers walked the earth, the Neanderthals had to wake up early and dawn for survival, like early hunting and avoiding dangerous predators. People in this day and age who are natural early risers may be descended from Neanderthals, showing a connection between ancient habits and today's early birds. That's pretty cool, huh, isn't it? So the next time someone insults you calling you a Neanderthal, you could just say something like, hey, at least I'm the one who would have survived in ancient history or something like that. If they don't understand, you can just show them the intro of Around the Island and I'm sure they'll get it. Hopefully. Maybe. Possibly. Anyways, I don't have much to report for this week's episode, but I do have some news I'd like to share with you all today. But before I go on, I just want to make two quick, very special shout outs. First things first, shout out to our fellow Palauans competing in the Paris 2024 Olympics, especially to Sydney Francisco, Yuri Jose, and my classmate, Chion Jose. Y'all go out there, share and repost pictures, updates, their events, and show some love to our 2024 Olympians. Y'all are doing great out there. Also, a special shout out to Poima's Palau Polynesian Dance Group. They are competing in a dance competition across the sea, so let's show them love and send our support. In case you missed it last week, August 10th at Palau High School Spiders Gym, Omukulela Biblia is once again hosting Island Jams, a small friendly basketball tournament for ages 9 to 18. The registration begins at 9 a.m. with a $2 player fee for each player. This upcoming Monday, August 12th, at the PCC Assembly Hall from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., a youth town hall meeting for the youth Ilobongela presidential candidate Tommy Ramangosaw is happening. I am inviting all interested and willing youth from ages 18 to 30 to stop on by, participate, and voice out any thoughts you may have. Now's your chance. Also, last week was the unveiling of the Over the Wall Palau mural project at the International Airport. This mural was created by Japanese mural artist Kensuke Miyazaki with the participation of local elementary school students and residents. Around 100 students contributed by drawing fish that can be found in the ocean across Palau. This is significant as this year celebrates the 30th anniversary of Palau and Japan's diplomatic relationship. Also, don't forget, it's payday week and this coming August 10th is the back to school night market. Palau Visitors Authority got a night full of fun planned for y'all with raffle prizes including those sleek white Pelican coolers. To the night market regulars who have seen me win 3 of those, I can assure you my luck has run its race. I'll just be on the sidelines cheering you all on. And even though it's payday, I still advise everyone to drive safely, be responsible, and make good choices. Before we end our time together, I just want to take a quick opportunity to thank Senator Gasuki Stops Sungingo for supporting this show and keeping it on the air, land, and sea. Your kind donation means a lot to me, so thank you, Senator Tops. That's all for this week, folks. If you're watching this on YouTube, please go ahead and click that like and subscribe button down below. Below? Yeah. And share your thoughts. If you're scrolling on Facebook, the same goes for you as well. If you do not want to comment on a public social website, you can also message me directly at KT Delano. That's KT, not Katie. KT, as in kangaroo and trampoline. 2 things that should not go together, but who knows? Or you could just slide into my DMs on Instagram at chaotic.ktd, and that's chaotic with a K. Till we meet again, this is KT signing off.